Alright guys, I am at least a bottle to 2 bottles of wine in right now. So if this is not intelligent, if this doesn't make any sense, that is the only reason why. So this video is an overview of all the mods that I've done to my 2012 BMW F30 328i. I bought this car in 2015 with 37k miles, and I've owned it now for 3 years. So here are some of the mods that I've done. So starting from the rear, I've installed an M performance exhaust that I bought from the forums for around $600, and I welded it for $80. And honestly, I love this exhaust. It farts and it pops the way I want it. So it's honestly like, it doesn't drone too much, and it's perfect. Okay, it's perfect. And continuing on, I bought some 400M rims off of Craigslist for $300, and I replaced the stock 393 rims, and I'm running a staggered setup with 255s on the rear and 225s in the front. And quite frankly, I love these stock rims because of the M sticker, which gives me 5 horsepower. Of course, you cannot argue with this. It's just what it is. And I've also installed Sportsline suspension, which lowers the car, and it removes that very wavy, very bouncy ride that the stock baseline suspension gives you. And honestly, I like it over springs or anything else because it doesn't lower it too much. Following that, I've installed glossy black, what are these called? Grills! Yes, I've installed glossy black grills because they look sexy AF. And I've also installed USR depot headlights, and this is actually batch 1 that they released. And I have the LED updates as well. I like these headlights. If I had to give any updates on them, I would install an HID or LED kit if you want something similar to the Xenon brightness that they give. But the angel eyes, again, are sexy AF. On top of the car, if you've seen my previous videos, I've installed the BMW roof base bars, which I will be adding to in 2019. I'll probably be adding a fairing and some bike carriers to be cool, but that's just what it is. And on the interior, I've added a red start-stop button. You can get these from China for like $1, honestly, and they're very cheap if you like the look. So again, this is just a quick overview of all the mods that I've done on my BMW F30 328i. If you like these kind of videos, like and subscribe. And again, this is me drunk signing off. So next time.